DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut selector.
Yo, what's good YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco back with another video on the baddest reaction channel, the maddest reaction channel, never the saddest reaction channel. You don't know what time it is. Yeah man, Dan Mafia, me have a bone for pick you know, me kinda vex with you today. You feel me? Cause I would not tell me say big warrior go on. I would not tell me say big warrior go on. And YouTube now update me, man, you see me? But me don't know when this a warrior start, people not gonna lie. Me see, it's this year. About 5 hours ago, me see the song I drop with the blood clean artwork here with fully bad and him a pad dog. You see me? I say, I mean, look, me say, Demarco just drop this. You see me? I say, I wonder when Demarco and blood clean fully bad starting a war dog. You see me? I say, and me do a little research and me find out say, yo, rate I must see a song fully bad drop and thing this Demarco and thing. So I know me listen to the song, so all the song them need to listen to as well. But yeah man, guys, go and check out this one today and see what go on. You see me? Yeah man, when I will not vibe much longer because me know say none of this go on. This catch me off yard. Yeah man. Yeah man, I jump right in the chat. This is Demarco, the one that name fully bad this. Let's get it.
Yeah, pussy, you know. Boy, I'm fuck me being mother to my girl sack there. You tell yourself, boy, it's a fun, you know.
But what? Yo, what? No man, I can't win just a while ago. Come on, gang.
Yeah, pussy, you know. Boy, I'm fuck me being mother to my girl sack there. You tell yourself, boy, it's a fun, you know. Pussy, I wish you want that sack there. A puppy tail, a lazy body.
Man say, yo. He man saying you rate him be a mother to me on my girl sang them. Yo, tell me say it's a fun. Yeah, it sound like say yo, it sound like it's a fun for real.
I break it off. Which one? Me have so much blood class. Hey yo, fully pad, pussy you know bad, this only prove you mad. Step to a giant, what you do? Make me school a lad. Me glad to in your face, me never use a rag. Hogs, grand spin and cassava piece. Who's it that?
Step to a giant school a tad, come on.
The cheerleader them get bullets and your crew to God. IG a fast profit them never chew to bad. Whoever you fuck me baby mother, that a news to brag. She call me and say, guess who's up my pussy? And I use she tag.
Yo, gang, come on. Shots fired. That's why I say fully pad my youth. You claim to say, yo, you smash me baby mother, but yo, when she say, yo, guess, I will rate it and do the things them and I use it. That's crazy. Yo, NASA.
Put a run guard left him but keep trying bum until the time come. Look at work, try some. Them can't buy box food and want buy gun. Boy with your light tongue.
Yo, shots fired. Yo, they can't buy box food but want buy a gun. That's crazy.
Where you been? Night son, well I'm surprised I can buy cream for stay brown. Whack your teeth. Them no like teeth for Spain town. One drop the box for me game and up a Shane Brown. We are that DJ. No, fully pad dog, the same clown. Falling soldiers, you sing it better than me. You a go wish say your mother did get a plan B.
Yo, that's crazy, man. Say falling soldiers, you sing it better than me. I go wish your mother did take a plan B. Damn, man, come on.
Smart wrong breed, that boy is a fan B. Mine anywhere you stand up, you have to pay a land fee. Bow belly stuck in a fence, wrong setting. Up to me them when the boss, yeah the dance settings. Beggar them and stretching, sorry for them, I confessing. Check me for your dub.
Beggar them and stretchings. Yo,
fully bad, but I want bad blessing. Don't do this again, don't step in that bad. Low me Miss Aleng, me done dopey that lad. White towel them, I send them off for showing that flag. Roll a spliff again and show.
Me done dopey that. Hey, yo, come on, man.
Put the body black bag, genocide can't kill me pussy. We never clash. The G never lapse. Put the beam pan ups. The rifle where the pussy have a lean up a props. We a shot better me sharp and clean up a last.
Man say, yo, we a shot. I mean, rise up and shot up a last, brother. You man say, waste a shot, waste a time. I not use bully pan your dog. I chat me.
Bitch, you fully not. You frontin' like you tough and you banging, you fully cap. Put the fucking blicky up to your melon and push it back. Switch, put them to sleep like niggas took a nap. Bitch.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Man say, like you're bad, but you're fully cap. Damn, Demarco, hey. Style and pattern, pan the one here, man. You see me and say, come on.
Switch, put them to sleep like niggas took a nap. Bitch. On to them boy dog. Yo.
Demarco school him.
You know what some devil have to sing no more. Him know too. Fully pad, leave it alone, yeah?
Fully pad, leave it alone. That's a disrespectful ass name.
As me say, me a beat from the ground up. Who next?
Yeah, man say, who next? Fully pod, behave yourself. Yo, stop playing with the elders in the game, bro. Stop playing with the vets, bro. No, stop it. You see me? I say, stop it, man. I'm gonna go beat and teach, you know. You see me? Yeah, man, I say, young youth not doing the thing and come up, but don't stop try this, the hell of them. You see me? I say, work with the hell of them, man. You know, if a man disrespect you, I say, enough of different thing, you stand up for yourself, no, but yo. Yeah, man. From there, I say, I be a veterans, I go against the new school, you see me? And if look at the vets, them come for beat and teach, bro. Beat and teach, cause yo, Demarco winning on that one, bro. That was a vibe. Demarco definitely winning on that one, man. And he came with so many flows, so many styles, so many pattern, bro. And he did say with fully body, you gotta have to come harder than you gotta have to come correct, bro. And I definitely gotta check out the fully body. What started all this shit? You see me? Cause apparently he called up Demarco name in one of his songs. You know, he's singing some Falling Soldier line. So I gotta go check this out, man. I see what I'm going. Cause this is crazy, gang. This is crazy. War is in the air. Tell them to prepare. Yeah, man. It's something in the food, something in the air, something in the water, man. I be a war going from there. What about? Yeah, man, guys. I don't know anything about the one day. You see me? Drop in the comments in the comment section. Go ahead and check the link. I did fix the link in the description to the Discord. So go ahead, join the Discord. You can talk to me directly, send me videos directly, send me requests, all that good stuff. We can chop it up and just vibe, plan lives, all them good things there. You see me? I say, well, yeah, man, gang. War is not a year, things are going. You see me? We have to check out and dig more deep and do more research to see what caused all this war. You see me? I say, gang. But yeah, man, definitely know what you think in the comment section, gang. And drop your requests. You don't know. Until next time, gang, you don't know it's a boy, Jambisco. I was here and I hit and smash it. Bang. Next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
I wanna play my DJ. I wanna rap. Play my blood clot DJ. I'm a shut up selector boy.